Today is Benjamin's birthday! And he is drawing a picture for our neighbor. How sweet. Okay, it's time to measure our 5-year-old. Oh, look, he's already in position.
He's in position.
He's in the position.
He's definitely taller. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay.
Did he grow?
Make sure his feet are right. He's not cheating.
No, 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 no
Straight
cheating.
like a shoulder, soldier.
This is it!
There it is.
How big are you?
He grew from right here.
What? Look at that, buddy. Wow.
He's right there. He's out of here.
He's out of here.
Happy birthday. I got a card.
Like that boy from Willy Wonka. Benjamin.
Here, sadly, or maybe not sadly, but today is the travel day, even though it's Benjamin's big 5. Right, Benjamin?
Yeah, it's my birthday.
It's Benjamin's birthday, but we have to travel today. But the cool thing about it is that we're gonna be in 2 different states for Benjamin's birthday. It's pretty cool. Wyoming and Montana. Actually,
Idaho.
3 different states. Idaho, Wyoming, Idaho, and then Montana. How cool is that? I mean, who spends their birthday in 3 states? Benjamin.
Wow.
Benjamin does. But first stop, Walmart, because we're out of food.
And this road.
Okay, so for Benjamin's birthday, his 5th birthday, he wanted to pick out his own gift. So we went to Walmart. What did we get? Show me. What is it?
Bowlers.
What? That's so cool. You excited? So what does it do, buddy?
Not these yet. We're putting this in a bowl first. Wrapper.
So right now we are in Idaho, and we just went to Walmart because we were completely out of food, out of everything, and we spent way too much money, but we're gonna make some lunch, and then
Show him the fridge.
we're going to make our way to our camping spot and hopefully meet up with some friends and have a celebration.
Show him the fridge.
We are now in Montana.
Was I supposed to say something?
It's my birthday today.
It's still your birthday, and we are in Montana right now, driving to our camp spot.
See Luna.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benjamin. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5?
I'm 5.
You are. Yay!
I'll carve your name into the sun, love you till my days are done. I'll never let you go. You're the fire inside my blood, burn the bad and leave the good, my angel. I'm the ghost. I'll never let you go. Anywhere you go, no matter what you do, you're always my forever, always my forever. Anywhere you go, no matter what you do, you're always my forever, always my forever. inside my